So this past week, as I've listened to all the memories that are being shared about Missouri Star, my heart is so touched. I just can't even tell you what this means to me. Thank you does not even begin to express how I feel about what's happened these last 10 years. It's been pretty amazing, and I just want to thank you so much from all of us here at Missouri Star, and especially me and my family for what's happened. I've actually written some things down because I didn't want to forget anything, and we know as we get older, those brains kind of go. But I want to share a few things with you that have been particularly poignant for me. Thank you for allowing me to share quilts with you every single Friday. Thank you for letting our family work together and for giving us grace when we make mistakes. You guys have been more than kind. Thank you for letting me travel all over the world and for letting people come from all over the world to visit the town of Hamilton. Thank you for sharing your stories, your letters, your phone calls, your comments, your emails, all those things. I have an overflowing basket of love. Thank you for helping us to rebuild our community and to bring jobs to our little corner of the world. And as much as I know that these two words cannot quite describe what you, my Missouri Star family, means to me, I want you to know I'm sincerely grateful for each and every one of you, for all you've brought, for all you've given. I know that we are on this journey together, and we've had so much amazing happen to us in the past 10 years. I can't even imagine what the next 10 is going to be like. So thank you for joining with us. Thank you for everything you've done. And as we travel on this journey together, we will get there stitch by stitch and block by block. Thank you. Thank you for celebrating 10 years with us. Happy birthday.